Hello there everyone. Today we are installing Keyhut POS onto a USB stick. And this is a very quick tutorial because this is just an introduction. So let's go. But first open your internet browser, alright? And you need to have some things set up. You need to have Rufus, of course. You search it under rufus.ie. Yeah, rufus.ie. Now we gotta go into like download and then choose the newest version and choose whatever architecture you want. Well, here we have 64-bit, 64-bit, 32-bit, ARM64. Alright, I have actually Rufus installed, so I don't need it for now. So let's start by booting Rufus. Yeah. And let's run it. I have 4.9 because it's kind of stable. Click yes. Now open up, and here we have our USB stick plugged in. And we need of course some things. Alright. So let's open up FreeDOS ISO, or just go to freedos.org/download and just like get everything, like, you know. And if you want, like, for our case it's the USB, you need to install the full USB, but I will not because I have it installed. So yeah, now we're just gonna sorry for my weird voice, I'm kind of sick today. Well, now we gotta just like change some things up, because now if we have FreeDOS and we have Rufus, because FreeDOS is actually the base. Yeah. So we go into choose. For me it was FD14 full USB. Yeah. Show USB disks. I can't really change the name, which is really sus, as you'll say, or I'm just stuck in a timeline. Alright, let's start it. Click OK. And make sure you've backed up all your USB data, because it will just like fuck up everything. And yeah, the disk has been done flashing. It's at 100%. Well, only a second I need, because I think it crashed. Wait a second. Oh yeah, now I'm done. Now go to the file manager and click on your computer here, and then as you see, we have the USB stick. Should be D or whatever. It depends on how many drives you have. Now you gotta have these, all of these, like all of these. You can't miss it. All right. Now you gotta. I'll minimize it just like. You can close Rufus now. Now just like search for keyhut.com. Now just like click point of sale. Nope. Alright. Now just click this thing. I mean, yeah. Alright, ignore it. Just like, you know what? Just like go to it. Go to the search bar. Go to the site, but like slash download, I think. Oh no, something has gone bad. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I completely missed it. It's this one. You click specifically on the floppy icon, and then just like yeah, just click one of these because you have like two. This is just like a sample store. I have not checked it. This is for like for 64-bit systems, which are kind of buggy considering this program. These are both like mm, because these are for 1 megabyte floppies, and these are like split into two. But like this is the single one, but we have a USB, so it's the logic. All right. So yeah, they're just like you got like like no, this is dangerous. So just go to the three dots and like save it. Save it though. All right. Now let's go back to the manager. Go to our files that had been like like downloads. Alright, now just like flip it into here, but I don't really recommend it because for first it would be recommended to like keep things in like keep things clean, just like add a folder. Oh man, no. Alright, delete it. Yeah, create a folder. Alright, sorry. Now just like label it POS or something. I'm making it POS ready because it will be ready, literally. So let's get into downloads. Get the installation file and throw it into POS ready. And click yes if you have this, whatever. Alright, let's go back. And that's basically all. Now you gotta do shit in your like machine, like the other machine. Alright. And here we are, other machine. It's a laptop. Don't ask why it's using an external display. It's just broken. The display is broken. Alright. So you need to have legacy boot or BIOS and secure boot set off. Now, like go to like your select boot device menu, USB hard disk. Oh yeah. That's gonna be loading. Select English and no return to DOS. I don't know how to install it because I don't have a hard drive at all. Like do there, like confirm it. If you see POS ready as a directory, then change directory or CD POS ready. At least that's for me. List your directory, and if you have the file, don't do any shit. Just like type in this. Like no X's. It will load. It will inflate for a while. So yeah. Alright, and we're back. Yeah. So just like list your directory. If you have all of these things, then that's good. Deleting the setup file is completely optional, but I do not recommend it. Because if something fucks up, like at me, when I was messing with something, it fucked up. Well, yeah. So if you want to delete it, then type in delete DOS71J .exe and click enter. But I'm not going to do it because I don't want to. If you want to like boot up the whole thing, you just like click in POS and enter. Now just wait. And we're in. Cash register. Now let's press a key. And you have three options, as you see. You can run the configuration, restart this program, or exit program. So let's run the configuration. Alright, we're at the configuration. Yeah. And you have two options. Because if you want to like set it monochromatic, I don't really recommend it if you're gonna like do some editing, like a shit ton of editing. So I rather prefer it in color than just like, if you want to then read it or don't, and then press enter. Then enter your things. Well, shop 1. This is just like a, yeah, I don't give a hell about it. Shop 1 access code. Now you gotta like type in your code. For me it will be this. I'm not going to use this because this is only a demo. Register name. This is and also the code is completely optional, but that's good for the security. The register name is also optional, but I really would recommend it. Shop 1, register, enter, and then press tab when you're finished. And then you can run either in 2 of these modes. You can still continue and like run this with like full graphics. There is no 3D graphics. Or you can just like run it in minimal mode if you have like very small amounts of RAM. Well, I don't. I have 4 gigs. DDR2. Read it if you want it or not. Whatever. Alright. So first thing you want to do, you hear that? It's kind of annoying. And then just go like key B press. And just like you can toggle it with like the tab. Let's go to category list. And now here you can like enter a shit ton of categories. For me it's gonna be fruits, vegetables, I don't know how to pronounce it. Fruits, vegetables, cement. I don't know why cement. Maybe some buildy things. PC. Accessories. And you can have maximally to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have maximally 13 characters. Alright. And when you're finished with like filling in your categories, then press escape. Alright? And then second thing you want to do is go to tax rates. I'm obviously not going to like actually do shit with it. Like look, alright. So you can here like I like a password. You can here choose the password to use. You can pause if you want, alright. I'm not gonna obviously use it as my real because as I said, this is just a demo. I don't really recommend rounding up. And yeah, you can name it whatever you want because this first one like to toggle when you're on the sale, like say tax on sale, and here can be tax on receipt, and then you can just toggle your taxes. I would rather recommend you to be lawful, but like do whatever you want. Here you have like everything. Let me just like add like 5% tax. This is enough, and click escape to finish. Oh, remember to switch positions when you're finishing, because this will clear out your column. So like move down, and then click finished. And here we are. Now here we have a stock table, which is actually our list of products that'll be used. So yeah, you can like fill out this thing, and you can like go from 1,000 products to 26,000 products. I will go with 1,000 products. Then just like read it. You can make the choices yourself. That's how I actually like. That's at least my setup. You can be like with me if you have a big mind. All right. Yes, allow. Now 1000 to 0 lies, and these will display a warning. I'll just refuse to sell, which I really like. If you're new to the editor, just like me, just like select display warning. All right. Should a sale person be allowed to do so using the password? Yes. All right. Stock table password. This can be the same. Use sell price as an author price. No. All right. Then just click escape when you're finished. Then again click stock table, and now click F4 to edit your stock table. And now we're here in the editor. Yeah. Now let's say you can like fill out this. You can like fill out any other number just to fit, because look, this is the position of the product. Product number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah. Here we have one, no, yeah. Let's say to navigate, you click enter on the first one when you're filling out the stock number. Well, let's say apples. In the category of fruits. If you want to go back here, you actually need to click Control back. Actually, these lines up here are just like the tutorial that just say you the things. Pairs. Now, with again Control right, you can here choose your taxes. I can click one tax. Now this will add 5% to my price, and this is the regular this is the regular price. When like you got like an import, let's say you were paying for the import and for the whole inventory. Let's say this, and this is the sale price, which will be like like all the products on your booth. Let's say 380. And don't click actually the decimal, because it will just do nothing. Alright. So now I'm gonna tell you how to switch categories. Tomatoes. Alright. Let's donut tax here, for example. Linear price, £5. That's for £4. Now here is your category. Now you just go only right, like you'll get used to it, and now you can like choose from the you can have maximally 256 categories, and you navigate on the categories list by using Control page up and Control page down, up. You see the list changes. Alright, here we have the first category, and this is enough. 4. Let's say, for example, RAM 4 GB DDR2. Yeah. Let's add a text here because why not? Now, when you're like gone to the text menu, here you can like navigate with control arrows, control arrow. But now from here, I don't know why, but you need to like navigate like the enter, like look, control left, right. I mean, it does absolutely nothing. But when I enter, it goes up. And you can also like change decimals by clicking F7, and now you have more decimals. Then you have a smaller price, unfortunately. So let's 25 pounds for the import. Oh man, oh no, that's bad. All right, I can just click enter, and it will do the same thing. So yeah. And let's say I want to sell it for 15 pounds. Enter, and then you have like PC accessories. So we click into. And when you're finished with your list, just like press escape. It will be just like fine. Yeah. Then we can go back to the vendor list. And wait a second. Wait a second, I need to read it. Alright, I figured it out. You just like need to like plan out how much vendors of things you want, like from 1 to 26,000. Just read it. You'll understand it. Stock number. Wait a second. Vendor number is the default method to enter. No, stock number. Alright. And let's press enter. And now we have merchandise vendors. Let's say. Appleson. I don't know. I probably to Tomato Sun. Ramson. I don't know. I can't think of vendors. Like, I'm not a nerd. I'm just using this as a POS toy for my cousins to play. Like my youngers. Like they're like about 10 or something. Yep. And then when you've entered all your vendors, of course. Then just press escape. I think I've said it. I don't know. Maybe I have mention. Now let's enter the stock table again. Press F4. Now you can edit the vendors. Look, yeah, the vendors filled out. And don't worry about that because as long as the stock number isn't entered, nor the description, it will not show up. Appleton. We can use like here you navigate the same as for the categories. Control page up, page down. So because these are, let's say this is the banner for these. Oh no, I don't know. I will just like tell you this thing later. God damn it. Tough work. Alright, Tomato Sun, and then let's say we go back. Now down. Ramson. Now we Ramson. And now we have our vendors filled up well. Mates, it has been the first part of it. Now I'm gonna show you how to get out. Alright kids, and this is the end of the first part, I guess. And I'm just gonna quickly show you how to exit the program. After you did all these things, you have your file name of your setup file, your name of the register, and when you've done all the things you wanted, just click uh F1. You can make a backup. I'll explain it in the second part. Now let's say we want to run POS.exe, so just click free. You're gonna load up cash register, press space. It'll load up, get your cash fund, and enter in how much cash you had in your cash drawer or whatever. I don't know. I will enter $30. And yeah, this is our whole thing. So let's say I want to purchase something, and you can look up the stock table by pressing F1. Now you have all the things you wanted to have. Let's say you have a list of apples, pears, tomatoes. Press it, and here you navigate by pressing page up and page down. No control. Let's press apples. Price. Don't change the price, but you can if you got like a resale and don't want to change it. And I'm gonna show you later. This is like for fun, not for like serious stuff, but like I'm gonna be explaining the serious stuff in the second part. So sell anyway. And now here we have it. Yes. Now let's say I want to buy some RAM. This item is out of stock. Well, you're lying, and sell anyway. And here we have. And when you've done making the transaction, click this button, like the equals button or the plus button, whatever. For me, it will be this because I'm mostly like navigating with the trackpad. I mean, not the trackpad, but like the numpad. I'll just press plus. I have total due to like pay, like clicking cash, check, credit, debit. Let's say cash, and then you get cash that you got, and then you have nothing. The register is not programmed to print a receipt. I will not show you how to print a receipt because my computer does not have a serial port, and I don't have a serial port printer. And that's all. If you want to like make a return, that's very like the same. Then like you enter the stock number. Wait a second, I want to try something out. Apparently you click the asterisk, like get the vendor's number. Ah, it's the vendor stock number. Well, I don't know how to do. View table. Wait, what? Well, wait a second. Let me. You watch that. View table. F1. Apples. Aha. So yeah. Is this item in good condition and being returned to the inventory? Let's say the apple had rotten in a very short time. So let's say dispose. Now again, click the same thing. They got 418 in cash of refund. Now you just give the client the refund and then just enter and you get back to the menu. And to enter the configuration, we have all these things. Run POS configuration. Enter your password. Space, and here you have it all. Alright. All of the stuff I will explain tomorrow. Alright. So let's lock the register. Just a quick tutorial. Oh yeah, I've had him do that. Wait a second. I will show you also how to like set up the lock register. Alright. We go to the POS configuration, password and name. Yeah, enter password. Then you enter your master password. Oh yeah. And now we can just like lock register. I recommend you using the master key to like remember it mostly. And then just done and save by clicking escape. And exit program. Sorry. Something freaked up. Alright. So let me also tell you how to like make this screensaver. And yeah. Hello. You forgot to use the register. Then you have a delay in minutes. Let's say I want to like turn it on at 1 minute. And then that's all. After 1 minute the screensaver should show up. Here I have a function to like show how it will look like. This is how it will look like. You awaken it by like clicking a key, a random key. Alright, and escape. We're finished. When I've set up the password, let's go back to lock register. Wait a second. Yeah, now I know what was the problem. Go back into password and name. Enter the password. Yeah. And then enter your lock password. And then just toggle it by using the tab to make it look like. Look. 0 allows using password to lock unlock. Well, no, it isn't. Do not lock. Alright. Offer option to lock at close. Always lock at close. Alright, I'm actually gonna use free because free is more convenient. And then done and save. Then exit program, and that's how you actually do it. Let's go to like lock register. Let's enter the password. Like to lock the register. Then the register is locked. Now let's enter the password and hit enter. And we're back to the interface. But if you want to like shut down the program or just like turn it off, then just like click close. Close the register. Then go to free. Do nothing, just returns to the register without turning off. Close register. Does all the things that just like erases the things that you didn't save. But 4 displays tax details and 3 is what I use. Exit program. No print, no erase. Now it's unlocked. Now let me lock it using the password. Then just press again enter. Now it will just show up goodbye. And we're back into the menu. And that's the end of the part 1. Goodbye.